I'll avoid him. In case he fucking comes back. What do you want to...
So I gotta explain to everyone like the 5 indications for NIV. So number 1 is increased work of breathing. Another one is type 1 respiratory failure as well as type 2 respiratory failure, which pretty much means hypercapnia or high CO2 or low oxygenation like hypoxemia.
What the
Another one
fuck is this
sorry,
about?
pneumonia or pulmonary edema, and patients who are just in general just don't need NIV or who need NIV to stay off mechanical ventilation. So contradictions.
That's great.
What contradictions like do patients actually need? I think in general.
This guy's weird.
I'll just mute him.
He actually shut up now.
Oh, okay. Maybe I should. Thanks to Rez.
Oh good. Juggernaut could actually play
Reaper
Zarya.
one. Nice. Good pick.
Nice.
Well,
They go no
what'd you
DPS,
say,
no DPS. I've almost got blood.
Man, I reckon
I'm
like
on blade.
you can have, like, trash DPS tank. Oh, maybe not trash tank. But if you have like a good support duo, you can carry, I reckon.
You're talking to the team?
I'm talking like about us.
Oh. Well, because you were just talking to the team as well.
Characteristics that patients need for NIV. Like, first they need to...
What the fuck is...
that it is important, and they have to be able to not take off the mask, pretty much.
Are you a doctor by any chance?
Huh?
Are you a doctor?
Yeah. Another indication for NIV or characteristic for NIV is they literally need to be able to secrete their own airway. And they have to... Wait, come on.
Just...
we need a hit scan for that Pharaoh.
What the fuck is the doctor doing in this game?
What did he even say?
Oh, way above my intellect.
We're mumbling about bullshit.
No Pharaoh?
Oh, were they crying about heals or something?
No.
No.
It's just talking about doctor
Like,
shit.
like real stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stuff that's irrelevant to this fucking game.
Widow one.
Oh shit.
Nice, good pick.
Thank God he shut up now.
Yeah, I got
Pharaoh.
Yeah, good push, guys. Winston
I'm dead.
asleep.
Oh, big sleep! You saved me from the monkey! Dude, he was about to jump. You saw him, and I was wanting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we got new spawn, so that's fine. Winston half.
Yeah, our spawn's way close. Okay, we just say for Nanoblade, and I'll just kill everyone.
Cast behind.
Dude, why is there a Kiriko?
Everyone just reset.
Do you want me
You
to damage
see
this?
a weakened blade, just use it. I'll be a minute off. Nano.
Can you res? Can you? I should move it up.
I can res.
No, big. Alright. I'm gonna kill this.
Wow, single ults me. Bad.
Wait, that's big. Back. No, we reset. Can I help a monkey?
I swear, this
Right now,
fucking
we need to
Kree
do way
is a
more
bit
healing,
sus.
dude. Like, way more healing, bro. Like, way more healing. Fuck the damage, bro, because you're getting out-damaged. Even by the Alara. Do more healing, man. Need that nano so bad.
What the fuck is he on about now?
Rest.
How long do you go in your
Alright,
game for?
come back. We'll
Well,
wait for Genji,
we're
and then we're
already
gonna blade.
around
Alright.
What the fuck?
Hog, when you go in, we're gonna.
Completed?
We're only
Okay,
just attacking now.
Anna, can you do it? Can you hear me? Let's go. Anna, let's go. Anna.
They fucked up my order, refunded my money, so I just ended up getting sushi.
Right.
Did she kill herself?
Took fucking
No, she
10
didn't.
minutes for a refund, but it's
Yeah, sorry for
the
kills. It's just that Farah keeps coming.
Nah, just be better, bro. Don't be sorry, bro. Be better. Don't be sorry.
Alright, yeah.
I will.
Big anti coming in? Oh, no anti, my bad. I'm bad.
Ugh.
I'm select rest in peace.
what's going on in your fucking game?
Oh, I just...
That's big. Mesh, I don't know if you can. Oh my god, you're gonna res me? Oh my god, I'm gonna kill everyone. They don't know me.
Sounds a little AIDS.
Big anti.
Big anti.
No res.
He's right.
Oh, no
I'm gonna kill
res.
healers dead. She gave up. Mesh, she's gonna ult. See now.
This Scarlet Uber has fucking issues.
That's a big res mess because I fucking went in the back and killed burst supports. Easy.
Oh, good mate.
Look, he's good though, I'll give him that.
He done it. He's good. It's
Wait,
just.
so
Oh.
NIV shit. I'm actually preparing for my exam. So pretty much with NIV,
Oh fucking hell.
the indications.
What was wrong?
Sorry. Contradictions for NIV.
No,
You would not understand it.
he's studying for an exam to become a doctor. Apparently.
Fuck you,
Say-
Connor.
What, you reckon you'd understand any of it? No. I know you wouldn't.
They can't have any pneumothorax. If so, you
I am so
gotta
close
do
to
an
this. Right now, you
ICC.
slept.
Alright, so what is NIV? So NIV is non-invasive
Okay.
ventilation. So pretty much what it does is similar to CPAP. It's continuous positive airway pressure where it
Oh, I
recruits
know what you're
alveoli, which prevents it from collapsing and
So it may like sleep
increases
apnea.
surface area. With that greater surface area allows for more gas exchange, which increases our FRC or functional residual capacity, which then improves our oxygenation. Alright, clap. Go.
I just went live for you there, Pekka.
I'm in a game anyway, mate.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Play right now.
See ya.
Big anti.
Big anti.
Trace him
Trace
behind.
upon.
Underneath.
Tracer back right. Just back left there where our Anna is.
Diva, I can't
Lever, I
hear
can't
you
you there.
Wait, shit, Diva, shit, you're so far away. Come to us. Diva, what? You're so far ahead. Big anti.
Tracer on Anna. Resing.
Zai, anti.
Zai anti.
Zai low.
Zai low.
Heal pod down.
I killed everyone. No. I'm the best. I'm actually the best. I've got nano. I've got blade.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
None of yourself.
then.
Ah, this guy's fucking hilarious.
Diva, you can place
You
that.
can place that there if you want.
Wait, message damage. Oh my god, we get so much fucking damn. Back! Point! Everyone go point! We're gonna nano blade, alright? I'll tell you when. I'm gonna be there, alright? Let's go, baby! Let's go! Oh, I'm grabbing. Alright, we're going. No! I'm behind it! They got no support! No support! Baby! Get the receipt!
Crate left.
Make sure you refund, get the refund. Oh my god, you guys are nuts! Right, alright, reset. Help Diva.
Been fist behind.
Alright, we pretty much survived the barrage of every ult, so now it just comes down to us. Wait, can we play on this regular
bomb.
Yeah. They come on the right hand side. Diva, when you bomb over the middle, so they'll all run either to us or they have to run back.
Reloading.
Do it now. Well, you just. Oh, I mean, it's not the.
Cast one.
Wait, they spread.
Cast one.
I'm getting res. Good stuff, Genji.
Thanks, bro. Thanks.
I
Alright, everyone. Oh, nice. Wait, that's bad. Wait. So, we have to play back because their tracer's gonna. We have to play together. We don't have a tank. Their tank. Our divas will take way too long to come back. Go far back. Come back. Wait for Diva. Come back.
Diva's back. She's up.
Yeah, nice. Play with Diva. We'll isolate fire.
Sim push in. Oh, that was meant to Sim, my bad.
Tracer behind, just bombing. Missed.
Thanks for nano.
What about the sleep though?
Studied to be a doctor, but fucking sounds like a 12-year-old.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that guy, man. He's such a comedian.
Oh, what'd you rank readjust to?
We're about to find out.
How did you just game did you?
G1 from
Oh, no.
G2.